This is question number 3 on geometry homework number 6. So the question says, a line with a slope of -10 passes through the points -4, 10, and g, 0. What is the value of g? So this is like the questions that we were doing last week. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down my points and label them. And I want the point that has the variable in it first. So this point, -4, 10, does not have a variable. So I want this one first. So I'm going to say g, 0 as my first one. And then -4, -10 is my second one. And then label them x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we can write the slope formula, which is going to be y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2 equals s. And then we can just plug in our values. So my y1 value is going to be 0, minus my y2 value is going to be -10. So we have the minus and the negative for the 10. Over x1 is g, minus x2 is -4. And my slope is going to be -10. So I can put -10 there. Then I can go ahead and change these into plus because there's two minus signs together. And then because our variable ends up on bottom, we need to wrap it in parentheses and then multiply by g plus 4 on this side and multiply by g plus 4 on this side. So these are going to cancel out because we have dividing by g plus 4 and multiplying by g plus 4. 0 plus 10 is going to be 10. -10 times g plus 4. Then because we're trying to get the g by itself, it's being multiplied by -10, so I need to undo that by dividing by -10 on both sides. This will cancel, and positive 10 divided by -10 is going to be -1 equals g plus 4. And then to get the g by itself, I just subtract 4, and I'm left with g equals -5. So my value of g, what would be plugged into this point right here, would be -5.